Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we start with the exercise number 5.3 related with chapter number 5 sets and function. There are total 5 questions in this exercise, out of which 2 questions is already started in the previous videos. Today we are going to start question number 3 related with exercise number 5.3. It tells that if universal set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 and set A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is 3, 4, 5, then they tells that draw the Venn diagram for A complement, B complement, A intersection, union B complement and A complement intersection B complement. We are going to solve them step by step. So first we are going to find A complement, so solution. We are going to find A complement. So you know that complement are equal to the difference of the given set from the universal set is actually our complement. So A complement means U minus A. U minus A. U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7. So 1, 2, 3 goes to 7. Minus our A set is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So difference means that all elements which participate, those elements which present in the first set and not present in the second set will be our difference. So the element are here is 5, 6 and 7 are present in this set and not present in this set. That's why the difference will be 5, 6 and 7. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are going to draw the Venn diagram for A complement. So you know that Venn diagram can be drawn in the form of a rectangle. Here this is a universal set and here we have A set. We are going to put here a common element in universal and A set. The common element in universal and A set is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So the common element will be inside A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why we take 1, 2, 3, 4 common element inside A? Because 1, 2, 3, 4 is include in A set and also include in the universal set, because A is a part of the universal set. That's why we take 1, 2, 3, 4 inside A set. In the universal set we are left with 5, 6, 7. So write it randomly in the universal set 5, 6 and 7. In A set we are not left with any element. So here we have a difference. So difference means that all the elements which include in the first set and not include in the second set. That's why the shading will be in the universal set, not in the A set. So shading will be just like this. We will not shade the A set. We will shade outside area of A set. This is A complement. Now we are going to find B complement. So B complement means that subtraction of B from the universal set U minus B. U is 1, 2, 3, 4 to 7. 1, 2, 3 to 7. Minus B set is 3, 4, 5. So the element which participate in the universal and not in the B set will be our difference. So the element are 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 is including those set. This is not the difference. Our difference will be 6 and 7 including the first set. 6 and 7. Now we are going to draw Venn diagram for B complement. Venn diagram first we are going to draw a rectangle. Here is a universal set. Here it is a B set. The common element in universal and B set is 3, 4, 5. So we can write 3, 4, 5 inside B set. Now in the universal set we are left with 1 and 2 and 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Now here is a different sign, so it means all elements which include in this set mean in the universal set. So we will just shade the universal set. So this is the representation of B complement using Venn diagram. Now we are going to find A complement union B complement. So A complement union B complement. First we are going to find A complement. A complement is equal to U minus A. So U minus A we can already find in the previous question. So it will be equal to 1. All elements which include in A set and not include in universal set and not include A set will be our complement. So 5, 6, 7 is our A complement. 5, 6 and 7 because it is present in universal set, not included in A set. Now we are going to find B complement, because B complement is equal to U minus B according to the definition of complement. So all elements included in universal set not included in B set will be our difference. So 1, 2 and 6, 7 is our result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not the result. 1, 2, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 6 and 7. Now we are going to find A complement union B complement. So putting the values of complement A and complement B and find a universal union of these two sets. So 5, 6, 7 union, and B complement is 1, 2, 6 and 7. Union is all the elements participate in both of these two sets. So our result will be 1, 2, and after this we are going to take 5, and after this we are here is 2, 6. We will take just a single 6. So 1, 2, 5, 6, and after this we are left with 2, 7. So we are taking a single 7. So this is the result. Now we are going to prove it through the help of Venn diagram. So draw a rectangle over here. This is a universal set, and this is let's suppose A set, and this is let's suppose B set. Now the common element in universal set, A set and B set are here. The common element are 3 in the both of these three sets, and the other common element are 4. So we are writing 3, 4 inside over here because this is the common area. In A set we are left with 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. In set B we are left with 3, 4 is already, so 1, 2 we are left with 1, 2. In universal set we are left, in the universal set we take 3, 4, so we are left with 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1 here in A we write run because in A set we already take 3, 4, so we are left with 1, 2 in A set. In B set we take 3, 4, so we are just left with 5. So here we will take 5. And universal set we take 3, 4, so we are left with 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. Now we are going to find A complement union B complement with the help of a Venn diagram. So we will just shade the whole area because in universal set all the elements combine. So we will shade the whole area instead of this common area. So this is the answer through the help of Venn diagram. We will not shade the common area. Now we are going to find A complement intersection B complement. So this is A complement and this is B complement, and here is an intersection sign in between them. A complement intersection B complement. So intersection means the common element in A intersection and B intersection. So the common element over here is a 6 and another is a 7. So A complement intersection B complement is just 6 and 7. Now draw the same diagram. Universal set, A set, and this is B set. Common element are 3, 4. And A set we are left with 1, 2. And B set we are left with just 5. In universal set we are left with 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5, 4, 6 and 7. Now in intersection we will shade just the outside area of A and B set. This is the result. With the help of Venn diagram we will not shade the A and B set over here. So this is the result. The same question number 3, we have another 2 parts are given. First part tells that find A union B whole complement will be equal to the A complement intersection B complement. And the second part tells that prove that A intersection B whole complement will be equal to the A complement union B complement. So these two properties are according to the De Morgan's law. We already learned in the previous video. So A union B complement will be equal to the A intersection A complement intersection B complement. We are going to find the first part and second part can found yourself. So taking the first part A union B whole complement. So A union B whole complement means U minus A union B, because this is the definition of complement. U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Minus A union B will be all element participate in AB, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So finding A union B whole complement, which is U minus AUB. So all element participate here because this is the subtraction sign. So participate in first set, not participate in the second set will be our answer. So the answer will be 6 and 7. Now finding this side A complement intersection B complement. So A is 1 2 3 4, and here we have intersection A intersection, so U minus A. We already found in the previous question. So all elements participate in universal set and not participate in A set will be our U minus A. So all the elements are 5 6 7. This is the result. Now finding U minus B. So all elements in universal set, not in B set. So all elements are 1 2 and 6 and 7. This is U minus B. Now here is an intersection sign. So A complement is 5 6 7, and here an intersection sign, and B complement is 1 2 6 7. 1 2 6 7. So the intersection will be the common element. So the common element over here is 6, and A complement intersection B complement. The common element are 6, and 1 2, this is not common, and 7 is a common over here, 7. So 6 and 7. So this is the result of A complement intersection B complement. With the help of Venn diagram, how can we draw it? So draw a rectangle over here. This is universal set, and let's suppose this is A set, and let's suppose this is B set. Now the common element in A, B and universal set are 3 and 4. 3 4. In A set we are left with 1 2 5 6 7. 1 2 5 6 and 7. And set in this is A set. So in A set we are left with 1 2, and set B we are left with just 5. In universal set we are left with 1 2 5 6 7. 1 2 5 6 and 7. Now the drawing will be just like this. Here is a union, so that's why the drawing will be, shading will be just like this. We will not shade the common area, which is 3 4, and shade the whole area. So this is the result to the Venn diagram. You can solve this part with the same method, but the shading will be just like we will not shade A and B, and we will shade the whole area instead A and B in this part. With this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive each and every upcoming notification of mathematics. Thank you.